you know who I am. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Elijah John Eubank. And, I'll be taking this TSTC college stuff at, at this computer, which is the service. Yeah, service. Yeah. So, as you can see, I did my TSTC college stuff ever since August 2019. But now this is January 2020. Well, as bad. I was recording this. Anyways, if you want to know who I am, you see, I've been doing many things. I'm creative, artistic, witty, geeky, that kind of stuff. But, now, what's that word? Let's look for again. Oh yeah. I'm probably intellectual at all this stuff. Yeah, that's it. So right now, I was not sure how I was doing this, but keep that in mind as I speak. Well, I'm probably there just to, do anything supposed to be doing. Well, and you can just look at this shirt. Take a look at if you've seen anything. See? TSTC. That's the college that I'm at. But other than that, I was living a very unusual life. We had some ups and downs. But that's not important right now. What's important is that I just... Well, look. I'm probably known on what I should do about myself. Therefore, I am known to be a real person. I'm interested in many things. You know how it goes. Just when you know about it. But that's all the time that I have for today. Be sure that you know a lot more about me later on, okay? Thanks. See ya around.